Flavorful and aromatic Sambar Masala powder. Sambar is one of the delicious South Indian foods that's served as a side with the South Indian delicacies. Sambar Masala powder is the main ingredient that adds aroma and a unique taste to the dish. Hello viewers, myself Shuparna, welcome to Simply Food. So let's see the ingredients that we need to make this masala. Bengal gram or chana dal, dried peas or Matar Dal, black gram or urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, fenugreek seeds, black peppercorn, curry leaves, dry red chilies, turmeric powder and asafoetida. Now I will dry roast all the ingredients. Into a pan, take Bengal gram or chana dal, about 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of dry peas or Matar Dal, black gram or urad dal about 2 teaspoons. Dry roast them for about 4 to 5 minutes. Roast them as they turn golden. Keep stirring them. Now put them into a bowl and keep aside. Now into the same pan, take 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 15 to 20 pieces of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 4 dry red chilies. Dry roast them for about 2 minutes. Keep stir. When these spices are nicely roasted, then add curry leaves and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and roast them for about 1 more minute. Then place it with the roasted dal to cool. Now put all the dry ingredients into a blender jar and blend it to a fine powder. Into this, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can see it's nice and fine powder. You can really smell the taste of sambar. Sambar masala powder is ready. Cool this masala powder completely, then store in an airtight jar. It keeps good at room temperature for 2 to 3 months and at refrigerator for 6 months. From this amount of masala powder, you can make 2 to 3 times sambar for 6 to 7 people. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel and share my cooking videos with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.